Hello guys, kani akong gikanta guys. Para ni sa akong mga loved ones. I remember the days when you here with me. Those laughters and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do but please don't leave me. You break my heart.